Kwa sasa ni takriban wiki tatu tokea Samidoh alipopata kuenda kule nchini Marekani kwa ajili ya kutembelea familia ya mkewe wa kwanza Edday pamoja na wanawe ambao wapo kule. And Karen Nyamu has been living alone. She hasn't had the time to kuweza kupost Samidoh kwa mitandao ya kijamii and making it clear to the people she has always done, bragging about how she has tamed Samidoh with her love. But tunajua tunasemanga mambo kagaje uende akaja. And as of right now, Karen has spoken in regards to this. The controversial senator has retreated that Mugithi seeing as Samidoh is completely a man. Unajua kitambo alikuwa anasema our man, but right now she says that this is my man and that he is no longer in any romantic relationship with his estranged wife, Edday. According to the nominated senator, Edday is now just someone whom the Mombi hitmaker shares a family with because obviously they sired 3 kids together. Now Karen Nyamu made this clear while reacting to a post that she made on her Facebook page few hours ago. The post was actually a photo of her working out in a gym, but one fan, however, made a comment saying that she was doing so because she wants to overcome heartbreak. This was presumably because Samidoh is currently in the United States spending time with Edday and their kids, while Karen Nyamu is in Kenya. Now, somebody told her going to the gym is the best way to overcome a heartbreak. This was a fan by the name of Daisy Ray and Kenshi. In her response, Karen, however, said and made it clear that she is not bothered about how Samidoh is with his estranged wife because she is just his family. She is not insecure whatsoever. Anasema utafanya mtu adhani my man is cheating yawa, kumbe ako tu na family, she said. Now after that watu walikuja pale. Let me just read the reaction as how it goes. Daisy Ray and Kenshi alisema going to the gym is the best way to overcome a heartbreak. Karen akareply akasema si utafanya mtu adhani my man is cheating yawa, kumbe ako tu na family. Wanjanyaga akamwambia weka our man, si mko na go to waifama. Sharon Maina akasema your man ama waedi tafuta wako. From the statement, it is clear that Karen Nyamu has claimed Samidoh as a whole man, and this is something that is different from previously when she was just comfortable being a side chick and Edday to being the official wife. This however may not surprise many because it can be remembered that Edday had even already dumped Samidoh in the mid-2023. This was after she was fed up with these theatrics of headless cheating on her with Karen Nyamu, something that even affected their kids. I'm not in any polygamous marriage. As stated, I left my husband for whoever needed him more. I made a decision to remove myself and my kids from that toxic environment, especially my teen daughter, who unfortunately is direct recipient of unbelievable behavior display, and I managed to sustain my kids' needs so far with no help, and I am not regretting any of it. About communication and video calls, I will leave that one there, since some people seems to be present when that is happening, but I'm not aware. In this new season of my life, I don't need any drama. I need peace only. I hope my next episode of series, my name will be left out, Edday to say it after relocating with the kids to the United States permanently. Now Samidoh yupo kule anakula maisha na inaonekana they have been hanging out together, but now Karen Nyamu seems to be in denial that Samidoh, you know what, anapewa vitu huko US. That's what's up. Mfanya kusubscribe. See you in the next video.